Hand this to you, it'll be recording. Okay. So you don't have to push any buttons, just aim it. Hi there, this is Paul Beck and Paul Rainbow Song. This song I'm going to create is going to be called Looking for a Place on Salt Spring. Is that right?
Where you like that?
Looking for a Place on Salt Spring. Okay, here we go. I'm going to use the guitar chords. Well, first I'll get a pick here. First, I'll make sure my guitar is in tune.
Yeah, Lon McQuaid bag too. Boy,
yeah.
There you go. Right on.
And then if it's in tune, I'll start the song. Okay, so using guitar chords G, E minor, C, and D. Here we go. Looking for a Place on Salt Spring. Well, I'm looking. Well, I'm looking for a place on Salt Spring Island. We want to move here. I'm a looking. I'm a looking. We're looking. Well, now Salt Spring's attractive. It's got lots of nature on it. Lots of generally friendly people. Yeah, you could grade it. If you wanted to give it a grade, like in school, I'd give it an A. What do you think? Looking, yeah. I'm a looking. Salt Spring Island is a great place for the family, for kids, for tweenies, for teens, and your grandparents. Why don't y'all move to Salt Spring Island? Move! They even got cows and goats here. A lot of people do agriculture. A lot of people grow vegetables in the summertime. They don't have to go to the store. Well, people come to Salt Spring for the market, hopping on Saturdays. Just look at it. Well, it's got climate like Santa Cruz. Makes you feel like you're in Hawaii. You can move. Salt Spring Island, the Hawaii of Canada. Salt Spring Island, the Hawaii of Canada. Can you do it? Can you dig it? Oh. I gotta move there soon.
Excellent. Right on, Baloo. Right on, man. From Leon, Karen, and Salome. Right on.